Hello, dear students. Welcome to my online English class. I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I hope all of you are following the rules of health and using mask because the coronavirus is increasing very seriously. Dear students, today I am going to discuss a scene passage from a textbook of class 7. So, especially the students of class 7 are welcome to my today's class, and I hope all of you will watch the class attentively. And if you watch the class attentively, I think you must be benefited. Dear students, this is Biplab, MD Shahrjab Biplab, assistant teacher of English, Gaibanagap Boys High School. I am going to take the class of the student of class 7 English first paper. Before starting today's class, I would like to show you a video clip. After watching the video clip, you have to imagine what are the reasons of such kind of destructive incidents, and you have to imagine or try to understand on which topic I am going to discuss today. Okay, students, let's watch the video clip. Students, you have watched the video clip and you have already understood that we are going to discuss our a passage that is going to discuss about climate change. That means the name of our today's topic. The name of our today's topic is what happens in Bangladesh. Unit 9, lesson 5. So, before going to, that means discuss the passage, first of all we have to know what will be the learning outcome of our today's class. So, dear students, first of all we have to see the learning outcome. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to talk about event, read and understand text, write about climate and environment, impart the meaning of some keywords. So before going through the text, we should know some meaning of new words or some important or difficult words, so that it will be easier on the part of us to go through the text if we know the meaning of the difficult words. So try to learn the meaning of the difficult or new words. First of all, we will have a word that is desert. What is the meaning of the word? You have to imagine. Try to say the meaning of the word desert. The meaning of the word is a waterless, desolated area of land covered with sand. Now, watch a picture of a desert. That means a very barren land, desolated land, a land without water. This is desert. Next word, melt. You will have another word, that is melt. What is the meaning of the word? Becoming liquefied by heat. You are watching that water is, that means ice is melting. Ice is melting and becoming water. Next word, surface. Surface means outside part of something. That is, you are watching the outside part of moon. The man is walking on the surface of the moon. Next word, erosion. What is the meaning of the word erosion? You have already seen the process of eroding or destroying by water or other objects. Erosion means the process of eroding or destroying by water or other objects. You are watching a video here. That means the river bank is being destroyed by the water. Now we are going to read the text and try to guess the meaning of the passage, and then we will try to answer some multiple choice questions. That means read the text first and then choose the best answer to the following questions from the alternatives given. Now we are going to read the text. So you will try to read it with me. What happens as a result of global warming? The ice on the Earth's surface is melting first due to extreme heat. Oceans and seas are warming too. All the ice that melts will fill up oceans and seas, and they will overflow on land. Thus, a huge area of land will go under water. Some of the best land for growing food is also the most low-lying. That means it will be flooded fast. Even some big cities like London, Kolkata and Bangkok will get flooded. That means thousands of people will lose their houses and land, and they will go hungry. Moreover, as the Earth's climate warms up, the weather gets more violent. Storms and cyclones will become more powerful. More areas will get drier and turn into deserts. There will be heavier rain too, so there will be more floods and river erosions. Students, as we have gone through the text and as we know the meaning of the important words, so we will try our level best to answer the multiple choice question with carefully. Try to answer the question. The ice on the Earth's surface is melting fast due to extreme heat. Here, the word extreme. What is the meaning of the word stream? You have to find out the word from here. Try to imagine and try to answer the question and follow my own. That means the right answer will be severe. That means here the meaning of extreme, that means the similar word of extreme is severe. Now come to the next question. What happens as a result of global warming? What does happen mean? Here, what is the meaning of the word happen? Which one is the similar with the word happen? Try to understand, try to gauge, or try to imagine, try to identify. I will help you then. occur. Happen means occur. Next question. Does huge area of land will go underwater? Here huge means which one is the similar? Which one bears the similar meaning of the word huge? Try to answer the question. Vast. It is the similar word of huge. Which one is the synonym of the word hungry? Try to find out the answer, the correct answer. Underfeed. Hungry means underfeed. The next question is, oceans and seas are warming for what? You have to answer. Was warming for men, extra use of fuels, cutting trees, and global warming. Try to guess or identify the answer. For global warming. The passage is about the result of greenhouse, of flood, of ice age, or of global warming. Which one is the correct? Of global warming. What is true about the ice on the Earth's surface? Try to answer the question. They will liquefy, disappear, vanish, be hot. The answer will be they will liquefy. There will be more floods and river erosion because of weather, temperature, of sea levels rise, of global problem. Because of sea level rise. This is the right answer. What is the antonym of melt? Follow this. Opposite meaning. Antonym means opposite meaning of melt. Liquefy, age, flow, or freeze. This is the antonym of the word freeze. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of overflow? That means which one bears the similar meaning or same meaning of the word overflow? Try to answer the question. Inundated. Students, now we will try to answer 5 WH questions. You will try your level best to write down the answer I am showing, and then you will match the answer with my own. That means answer may be different. Your answer may be different from my answer. So you will try to write down you at first, and then you have to match the answer I am giving you here. The first question is, why is the ice on Earth's surface melting fast? What is the cause of the Earth's surface, ice on the Earth's surface melting? You have to answer first and then try to match the answer I am giving you here. Okay. The ice on the Earth's surface is melting fast because of rapid global warming. Because of the rapid or quick global warming, this is the main cause of rapid ice melting. Next question is, what will happen to the people for gradual warming? That means if the global warming goes in this way, what will happen for us, for the people of the world? You have to answer, but I am giving you a model answer. For global warming, the water level of the seas will rise up and they will overflow on land. As a result, thousands of people will lose their houses and farmlands and will go hungry. Third question is, what will heavier rain cause? That means because of heavier rain, what thing will happen? You have to answer first. Heavier rain will cause frequent floods and river erosions. Why does the weather get more violent? What is the cause of the weather becoming more violent? Try to answer the question and follow my one. The weather gets more violent because of global warming. This is the main culprit. Global warming is the main culprit for becoming the weather more violent. Now you have to say the summary of the passage. That means what is the passage about? You have to write down the summary of the passage. Okay, try to write down and match with my answer. In short, the answer I have given here in very brief way. The passage is about the negative effect and serious consequence of global warming, especially on our country, that means on Bangladesh. Your answer may be varied from my one. That means you have to write down mainly the summary of the passage in 2 or 3 or 4 lines. So dear students, I have shown you some model questions and some model answers. You will try your level best to answer the questions in different ways, and you will try to answer the question first and then watch my answer. That means you have to stop the video and then write down your answer, and you will match the answer with my one and try to find out the faults from your answer, and then you will be benefited. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you all. I hope all of you will be well and following the rules of health, and I will meet with you in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.